Alright, this is a very interesting dot product question. We are given that u is a unit vector, and we have this picture, and we are going to figure out u dot v and also u dot w. But how though? Well, the key is we have to componentize the vectors. And to do so, we will have to have a reference frame. And I'm going to just set it like this. Here, and then I will put down the origin right there. So that will be 0, 0. Now we just have to figure out this point and that point, and we can just do the usual business to figure out the factors for u, v, and w. And since we know u is a unit vector, and because of the notation here, that means they are all the same lengths. So it's an equilateral triangle. So I can just go ahead and divide this into two parts. So the first part right here will be 1/2, and this will be 1/2. And because this is the equilateral triangle cut into two halves, this right here will be what? 60 degrees, and this right here will be 30 degrees. So the hypotenuse is 1, but the height right here will be usually square root of 3, but we cut into half. Yeah, so it's scaled down, because usually it's this, right? 2, 1, square root of 3, but we scale this down, divide it by 2. So that's square root of 3. And that's all we need. Because here, from here to here, this point will be 1, 0. And then this point here, it will be 1/2. And then square root of 3 over 2. And with all that, we can write our factors. U will be from here to here. So we went to the left 1/2 unit. So that's negative 1/2. And then we go down square root of 3 over 2. V will be from here to here, that's 1/2 unit, positive. And then it goes down, so negative square root of 3 over 2. And then finally, W is just from here to here, so that will be just 1, 0. Now we can just do our usual business to figure out u dot v and u dot w. So u dot v, we just have to do this times this. So that's negative 1/2 times 1/2. And then we add this times that. So negative square root of 3 over 2. And another negative square root of 3 over 2. And then we just have to figure this out. That's negative 1 over 4 plus positive, yeah? And then square root of 3 is just 3 over 4. Together is 2 over 4. Reduce that, we get 1/2. Please do not write 2 over 4, right? It's Calc 3 already. Just reduce the fraction. Next, u dot w. So it's this dot this. This is easier because we have the 0. So negative 1/2 times 1 plus, I'll just show you guys all the work, negative square root of 3 over 2 times 0. So it's just negative 1/2. And that will do it.